Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn about Python variables. So how can we declare Python variables and how can we run those variables in Python? Let's see. So let's create a new file. So we will write, this is the new file. So we'll write a is equal to 10, a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20 and print a a print b. Let's run this thing. Create one folder. Folder name is Python programs, and I'll open it and I'll write variables dot py. So this is the output. This is the output. This is the output. So let us run this program. Press F5. Save. So there is no commas here. There is no commas here. So this is how we can print the numbers. We can print the numbers. So if we want to, print a string, if you want to print the string, so what we have to do, just use double quotes and write I am Iron Man. I am Iron Man. I am Iron Man. So plus F5 again. Okay, click save. Okay. See, it changed into the string. It changed into string. So depending upon the what we have written here, so depending upon the what we have written here, so that data type will be changed into like that type of data type will be modified by the B. Modified by the B. So for example, if I write 10 here, the 8 data type is teaser. If I write string here, B data type is string here. So it is changing by the value. It is changing the data type by the value. By the value. So this is how we can write the statements and execute it. So we can do it like this. So we can cast like this. We can cast like this. For example, A, right? So print str of A. Let's run this. Let's run this. So A is a string now. So A is a string now. A is a string now. So A is a string now. So print type of type A. See, it is saying integer. It is saying integer. It is saying integer. So what is the type of A is integer. And we want to get the type of B. Type of B, we can get the type of B as str. Type of B as str. Type of B as str. So instead of writing like this, so we can write like this. For example, x is equal to str of 10. Str of 10. So what is the x? X becomes 10 becomes a string. 10 becomes a string. How can we get the type? Print type of x. Type of x. Type of x. So let's run this program. See, the type of X is string. Type of X is string. See, what is the first thing? I'm checking the type of X. So what is the type of X? It's string. 10 is an integer, right? But I am converting the integer into a string. A string. C here, it's a string. And after that, A is a integer. And B is a string. B is a string. So this is how we can use variables in Python, and we can check. And we are having different types of things. We can write y is equal to str, not str, int of 10, int of 10, and z is equal to str float of 10. So this is how we can write the x, y, z, and we can print type of y, and like copy this thing and paste it here. X of z, x of type of z. So then include close parenthesis and just click the F5. It will run the program. Just run the program. So we're having error, and we clear it and save it the file, and see we got the output. So what is the type of X? X is a string, so it is showing string. And what is the type of A? So A is a integer, so it's showing integer. And what is the type of B? Type is a string, it's showing string. And what's the type of Y? Y is an integer, so it's string, it is saying int. And what is the type of Z? It is saying float, so it's saying float. It is converting 10 into float. So we can check like this. And d is equal to 10, and capital D is equal to Achyut underscore stack. So what I'm writing at small d and capital D. So let's print this thing. So print D and print capital D. So what will be happen? Let's see. What will happen? Let's see. Press F5, 7, 3. So here it's saying that capital D and small d are case sensitive, which means it is different. It is different. So in Python, the small d and capital D is different. What I'm saying, capital D and small d is different. So this is the things we can do in Python variables. So we have seen how to give a number and print it, and how to give a string, and how to convert the number integer into string, integer into float, and we have learned about types, how to get the type of the variable, and we have learned the case sensitives, whether it is a case sensitive or not. Python is case sensitive or not. So Python is a case sensitive based upon the output. So these are the basic Python variables that we can learn. So that is, friends. That's all, friends. It's a simple class of Python variables. If you think this video is helpful for you, please like the video, and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel, and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you'll not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.